Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, the day I do my entire skincare routine, so I thought we could do it together.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, first things first, we gotta put on these bad boys. If you don't already have these, please buy them. They usually come with like the little headband. Where's my headband? Looks like this. I don't wear my headband, but I freaking love these. They're essentially like little arm towels, and you put them around your wrist so that when you're washing your face, the water doesn't drip all the way down your arms. It's literally the freaking best thing in the world. I also have them in white. Please get them. They're so freaking cute, soft, and so useful. So today I wore makeup, so I'm gonna be doing a double cleanse, starting with the Then I Met You cleansing balm. This is probably like my second or third batch of this. I love this cleansing balm. I can already see the end of the pan over here. I would say in the last maybe like year or two, I've been really experimenting with a lot of different skincare products, and it's taken me a while to get to where I am today, mainly in that I've been just trying out a lot of different products and seeing what works for me. And I'm kind of happy with my current routine. If you are also going down the journey of skincare as well, just know that skincare is honestly trial and error. It takes a while to figure out like what your skin likes, and also like pending what you're going through in life, it really also has an effect on your skin as well. So just know it's okay if it doesn't work out. This is definitely not going to be pretty, but this is what I use and this is what I do. Okay, so once all my makeup is wiped off, I'll just wash it with like lukewarm water. Okay, dry my face. Okay, so my next cleanser is the Tatcha rice wash. This is the 8 fluid ounce bottle. It is huge. It's as big as my face. It's taken me quite a while to get through this. I got it for Christmas and I love it. I am a big Tatcha fan. I have a few different Tatcha products, again, all gifted to me during Christmas and my birthday and stuff, but I love their products, and I've tried a few different cleansers that they have, and this is just the best one that I really enjoy. I'm slowly converting over to Asian products because, I don't know, I feel like the ingredients just do better for my face, but I'll just put a bit of it on my face, and then with wet hands, I'll go in and wash my face like this. This part is probably not gonna look pretty, but this is what I do. I love this rice wash so much. Wash it off with lukewarm water again. Ever since I started double cleansing, I truly feel like it's done wonders for my skin. And then next, because it's Sunday, I will do a mask. I'm gonna use the Kiehl's Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. It looks like this. And then the inside looks like this. These are the areas that I place it on. And then I'll kind of just rub it in. Okay, this is gonna stay on for about 10 minutes, so we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna take a new clean towel and we're gonna run it under hot water and use that to wipe off the product. I wet my towel and I'm gonna use this to wipe it off. And I'm kind of rough with it, if I'm being honest. I also just realized that I never shared what kind of skin type I have, in case you have the same kind and these products work out for you. So I will say I have combination skin. I get pretty oily in my cheeks and then on my forehead as well. And then I do also get dry skin around my nose and around my like forehead area at times as well. So combination skin. Okay, it's all wiped off. And then next I'll go in with a toner. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight toner. Looks like this. I'm gonna put a couple of drops on my palm. And then this is probably not how you do it, but this is how I do it. I literally just put it on both my palms, clap my hands, and then I'm just gonna slap my face. Just patting it all in there. And then I also do my neck as well. Okay. We're keeping it real on this channel. Okay, then I use a fan and I just fan my face. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the Keihl Vino Perfect Brightening Dark Spot Serum. I'm literally on empty on this, so I'm just gonna shake it so that I can get every ounce of this possible because this thing is so expensive. Also, when we're at Sephora, there's this woman who was standing in front of the aisle and she swore by this product and she was like, make sure you get it with like the kit. There's like a moisturizer and eye cream, and then there's like another kit that they sell it in, which is with a sunscreen. And it's pretty much the same price as just one bottle, but it has like other products as well that you can try out. So yes, we're gonna scrape. I literally have no more scraping the bottom of this because I want to make sure I use every bit of it. I'm in a family of 5 sisters. All of them have started using this product except for my baby sister, and they all love it. So I mainly just put it on my dark spot areas and I just pat it in. I believe it's like 82 bucks, but it is very nice. I'm just gonna fan my face real quick. Okay, next I'll do like any acne treatments or eye creams. So for eye creams, I use the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. I just put a teeny, teeny little dot on my hand like this. And then put a couple dots under my eye. Like that. And then I just pat it in. And then for my moisturizer, I'll use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. I have tried a lot of different moisturizers and this is my holy grail. I have bought this many, many times. Embarrassing story, I bought a huge bottle from the Kiehl store, and then I was in a Nordstrom's and I went to use the restroom and I left the bag on the chair and completely forgot, and it was stolen. So it was a sad story. Put it all over my face, including my neck. And then 2 more steps. For my lashes and brows, I use the Ordinary Lash and Brow Serum. And then I'm currently in the process of trying to get my tail back. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm missing this tail here. So I'm hoping this treatment helps my tail. I really like Ordinary. I've been using a lot of their products and it's done wonders for my skin. Okay, for my very last step, I'll use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Looks like this. And then put some on my lips. And that is that. I only do this full routine on Sundays, and then on the weekdays, my skincare routine is a little bit shorter, and in the mornings, it's barely existent. Okay, so that is my full-length Sunday skincare routine. If you made it to the end of the video, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And what else do I have to say? I'll be sure to list all the products in the description below in case you want to check any of them out. And if you do, let me know in the comments as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.